Okay, let me show you this kitchen scale. This is the Amazon Basics, and you just turn it on here. This is the power button, and then you can switch the units here: grams, pounds, ounces, milliliters, fluid ounces. So it's nice to have all those options. And then the way I like to use the kitchen scale, if I'm using it to try.
This is the Amazon Basics scale. The top is made from stainless steel, which makes it very easy to clean. It has 6 rubber feet to keep it in place. The battery door on the back comes off easily without any fuss. It takes 2 AA batteries. It measures 7 inches wide by 8.5 long and about 1.25 inches high. The buttons on it are very straightforward and they click to give you feedback. Using the units button, you can change it from pounds, ounces, to milliliters, to fluid ounces, or to grams. You can put something directly on the scale and weigh it, or if you have something loose like this, first get a container and place it on it, and then hit the tare button to zero it out. And now just add what you want to weigh. Or you can use it to check the weight of a package that you want to ship. And this package is 1 pound, 14.3 ounces. If you go over the maximum weight, it will give you an error code. And once the battery goes low, it'll say LO. And to save battery power, you can hold the power button down for 3 seconds and it'll turn off. Or if it's inactive, it'll shut off automatically after 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Well, if you're looking for a good digital scale with good capacity, you can't go wrong with this one.